The skill policy of India aims to create a skilled and productive workforce, enhance employability, and drive economic growth. The government believes in launching new initiatives and refine existing policies to meet the changing demands of labor market and aspirations of its youth. The establishment of 5 centers of excellence for skilling, as announced in the budget of 2025, furthermore demonstrates the ongoing commitment to this sector. Cooperatives are ambidextrous, which entail dual mandate that these entities carry along their life cycle. Cooperatives are business units expecting to face the competition even from corporates while taking care of the member interests, who are generally small equity holders challenged by the livelihood stress. Cooperatives are designed to have links between capitalism and socialism. A cooperative has intrinsic mandate to find way to protect its members from market risk and simultaneously look for new avenues to add value to the investment of its members. The cooperative needs to behave like a business unit to face the market. Globally, it is recognized that cooperatives are aggregators of small assets, traditional skill set, inherited production and services that each member brings in to begin with. It faces the challenges of meeting elementary expectations of its members who invested in cooperatives for a remunerative return. The bottom line is that the cooperative is governed by the same members who join together and is thus termed as user-owned firm, as against investor-owned firm. Therefore, it is important that cooperative movement needs to develop various skills, including entrepreneurial, governance, and leadership, managerial and technical skills, while earning the trust of the members and ensuring their cooperatives are self-reliant. Ensure these cooperatives to operate as a business unit. It is also important these units are competitive globally with local inputs in the rapid development of emerging market and the ever-evolving business landscape. Supported by technical advancement, the skill sets of the cooperative need to match. Skill policy of India includes numerous initiatives to create a skilled workforce aiming at meeting the demand of its growing economy. This includes the National Policy on Skill Development 2009, the National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015, and the National Skill Development Mission 2015. National Education Policy 2020 recognizes the importance of skill development and prepare the youth of 21st century to face the challenges and competition through entrepreneurial skills.